Let's look at another example. 3x plus 5 minus 7x is equal to 6. Once again, we need to read what this is saying. We're saying that 3 times something plus 5, which is just a number, minus 7 times that same something is equal to 6. What we should do is simplify the left side so that we get something in the form of a variable attached to a number equal to the 6 on the right side. So we can begin by noticing that we have like terms. The like terms are the 3x here and the negative 7x here. If I simply look at the coefficients, I see that I have a positive 3 and a negative 7. Once again, since they're like terms, meaning that they both have an x in common, I can go ahead and just write down the x, because I'm not changing the x, I'm just changing the quantity of the x's. Here I had 3 x's, and here I had a minus 7 x's. Well, 3 minus 7 is negative 4. I have negative 4 x's. Did I do anything to the 5 here? No. So I can go ahead and keep that and have my equal 6 on the right side. Still, I'm not completely satisfied with this since I do not have an expression where I can tell you exactly what the x is. I have to do something more. What's going on to the x? I'm still multiplying it by a number and then adding another number. And all this is equal to 6, so I need to do some more simplification. The best thing to do here is to subtract 5 from both sides, because I want to end up with only x's on one side with nothing else. So that cancels out. I get negative 4x here, and then 6 minus 5 is just 1. Now I am getting a lot closer to what I want. I just want an x on the left side and some number on the right side, on the other side of the equation sign. In this case, I have a multiplication scenario. What's happening to the variable? I'm multiplying a negative 4. What would be the opposite? To divide. Divide by what? The coefficient, since I want the x by itself. I can go ahead and divide this by negative 4. Immediately what I do to one side, I must do to the other side. And of course, the negative 4's cancel out. I'm left with an x is equal to a negative 1/4. It's negative because a positive divided by a negative is a negative.